Hi everyone, this is Gillian. I'm popping back to just show you what I've done with the day 5 of hashtag 12 Digits 2020. That isn't right. I can't think exactly what it is, but it's the challenge by Cara Brandon and Dearjuliejulie. Just to show you what I've done here. Again, working on my journal, working on a page. I've used some of these lovely prints with the cardinals on. I've kind of ripped into 3 of them. That one's really as it was, and then I've backed it onto some more of that the vintage book paper. That one I've torn around, and that one I've torn out, just to kind of collage them together. All of my pages in this book at the moment, in this journal at the moment, are my tea stained papers, which I think looks really nice, and everything, as you can see, made quite grungy with inking, etc. I've then made an envelope flap, so just that brown envelope flap. I will decorate the inside of there as well, probably with something from a day further on into the challenge, but you can see here that that's where the envelope is, so you can pop things in and out of the envelope there. So I'll probably really back something onto one of the digitals again. And on the front of here I've used one of the elements, I think that was from Julie. I've put a bit of just white paper doily that I've inked, some more petals from the, well, sort of half of the red paper flower, and then a little mother of pearl button just popped on there. And I do intend to put some, you know, something like some little diamondy glitzy things in there as well. So yeah, I like that spread. I think that looks really nice, and it will look nicer once that is decorated up as well further on in the challenge. And then using one of the postcards, I've backed it onto an index card. I've covered the index card in a book page, inked the sides, and then I've glued on a postcard, one of the other little elements, which I've then got on there as I've just glued down 2 and a bit sides. I'm trying to grab something to show you. I'll grab the tags from yesterday to show you that you can then also put something in there, so something smaller later on I will tuck into there. So that's not necessarily for that page, it's probably going to go into another page. Just pop in and show you those folded pockets. And I can find them, like I did the other day. Oh, there's one. So a card like this could go very nicely into one of those to give the height on the page. That would look nice in any of those pockets, but I think in the back one for the height, because that just fits perfectly in there. So I'll leave that there for now. So there you are. That's my day 5. Take care. Hope everyone's enjoying this as much as I am. It's lovely putting all this together, and I'll see you again on day 6. Take care. Bye.